Hi, E. Smith. Can you hear me this morning? Can you just let me know that you hear me? If you don't hear me, thank you so much. I've been having audio problems. Anyway, this is about drawer organizing. As you can see, this is a messy drawer, and things get shoved in there when we're, busy, got company coming over, etc. So today I just wanted to prepare for you and share with you for the third time some organizing tips for the drawer. So I'm going to be careful and just tap this a little. And hopefully everybody can hear me again. So I'm going to share this with you again. The first thing in order to organize your drawer is number one, you're going to have to tackle one drawer at a time. And number two is give it a purpose. Just like we have an entry closet, a hall closet, a linen closet, a clothes closet. Give your drawer a purpose. So depending on what room it's in, if it's in the kitchen, maybe give it, your utensils. If it's in another area and you do a lot of writing, a lot of housekeeping, put those items in there, like your pens, your pencils, your also your stamps. Or if it's near the garage, your tools, etc. So, one, do only one drawer at a time. Number two, give it a purpose. And number three, make sure you keep the trash can with you at all times. And number four, use some drawer organizers. So I'm going to share with you a few drawer organizers. And some of them cost you less than $10 and others are completely free. So here we go. First one, you can put your t-shirts in. As you can see, I'll back up because that was a little bright orange. This is nice and big. And this comes in a set of 6. For less than $10, variety of sizes. As you can see, this one you can put your socks in because it's a little long, which is really great. Or for you ladies out there, you can also put your evening bags. Thank you, Burka62. And of course, this is just a small t-shirt that I actually put in this one. And this is a little different kind. It comes in a set as well. Less than $10, and I like this because it comes in a variety of sizes and shapes as well. And this is what they call a deep drawer organizer. As you can see, I'm putting my little fist in here, and it's great for any deep drawers you have in your home. And I like the different compartments. You can put, I have my eyeshadow in here. This is actually my first aid kit, which I keep in here. This is stuff for my nails. It's nice and compartmentalized. And this was less than about $5. This, all of you know, is a utensil organizer. I paid like 99 cents for this one. And as you can see, I've got a flashlight, I've got scissors, I've got, screwdrivers, batteries. I even have a few candles. So this is another way you can use this in your home. I like these, even though they're not drawer organizers, they're tiny baskets, but they are $3 for $1. And I like them because you can actually almost customize your drawer organizer to fit your needs. And of course, I've got my highlighters in this one, and then I've got my nice little clips in this one. So that was like $3 for $1. Then, of course, you can repurpose things. Now, the last time you probably saw me, let me go back. Because of this light, repurpose this. Was this old food storage container. But what you can do is take the lid off and slip this in a drawer, and that becomes a drawer organizer. And then my last one, which is a free tip, which is actually I got from a fellow organizer, is for those of us who have iPhones, these boxes are very sturdy, as you can see, and you can just either use it as is if you want, or you can put some color paper on it, etc., decorate it. So that is a free. So I went from those you can pay less than $10 for to those you can repurpose to those which are free. So again, in order to prevent this from happening, use one of the organizers that I mentioned. Number one, you do one drawer at a time. Number two, you give your drawer a purpose. Number three, you get your trash can by your side and toss everything out. And number 4, use one of the drawer organizers. I thank you so much for joining me today. If you want more information about me and what I do, you go to janetmtaylor.com. And until next time, you have a clutter-free day, but you have an organized week. Bye.